I do believe there's a God because my family are Christian and I was brought up being taught and shown why my parents believe there's a God, and then I believe that as well.
Some people just do good things for unexplainable reasons, and personally I believe that is God acting with us.
Yes, there is a God because there's no other explanation for how this all could have been invented.
Yeah, I believe that there's a God, and I've been doing biology, and it's just not possible for that all to come by chance.
I think there's a God because I'm a Christian and I believe in him, but I don't think he created the world.
Yes, because people always talk about it.
Yeah, I believe in God because I've just had so many living experiences. So when I feel down, I always pray, and every time I pray, I feel just the love of God heal me.
I believe there's a God because he sometimes speaks to me in different ways.
I believe in God because a lot of my family died, and I always see signs that they're still there for me. So yeah, I do believe in God.
I don't because when family pass away, obviously you see signs things coming off shelves and stuff and you talk about them, but I don't because I just don't.
I don't think there's a God.
I don't know, and I haven't seen it.
No, because I think that when religions first started off, it was just people looking at things and then making guesses, whereas today we still guess, but we make more informed guesses. And nothing's really pointed to any religion being right.
In one way I think there is, but in another way I don't think there is. Because if there was, why are there so many bad things happening in the world?
I'm not really sure whether a God exists. It sounds like something that people would make up to explain everything that is so amazing about the world. But there's also some evidence to support that there might be a God.